We are back on the road today, same day as the other video I made about the new Tesla cars, so check into that video if you haven't already. Got a lot of stuff planned here today. Got my energy drink here. Actually poured some of a new can of stuff. It's called a Highball. It's like sparkling water with caffeinated energy, and I must say it's pretty dull tasting. It's basically tastes like sparkling water. Never really liked the taste of that, but I guess it's all right. So we are going to pick up Mike right now. We're going to go to a whole lot of different places today, and it's going to be a lot of different stuff going on. I know I always say that now, but I'm kind of really just trying to switch up my experiences. We're going to see what the road has to offer us. It's always some crazy stuff that happens on the highway, so that's what we're going to begin with, and going to bring you guys along with me. RIP to my favorite tree. Alright guys, just roll up to Mike's here, and here's this 5.0 V8, and it's got a 5-speed, I'm pretty sure, auto, and it's just a single cab Ford. It's nothing too fancy here, it's all stock, but he does want to do a leveling kit. The new mirrors on, those classic mirror 33 12.5 mud terrain tires with 15, 16-inch steely wheels, blacked out of course, and black out the bumpers. That's the plan for his truck. Michael, you 96 Ford pickup. Mud tires back on, dude. Oh my gosh, look at it. Nice. Damn, look at that 4-stroke. About to get some waters, and water. Let me explain the story. We came up to a light, a red light, and there's a car in front of him. And whenever a car in front of you takes too long after the light turns green because they're texting or something, they honk. Yeah. Gabe, at the split second of it turning red to green, he already honked. Damn. So they're just like... It was the funniest thing, dude, because there's no time to even accelerate. Yeah. Gas station, we got the drinks, and we're all ready to go. We're about to hit the highway here. Just got the GPS coordinates. Had to take a long search and rescue what the address actually was, because I haven't been there in a while. But we're about to go. Are you ready? Yeah. On the road now, and this is the first time Mike has been in the Silverado with the new upper control arms. Do you think the ride is a bit smoother now? Yeah, I mean, yeah. Do you notice a difference? Not when it's just casual driving, but whenever it's a bump, it takes it so much smoother and easier. And what I noticed is that the upper control arms are just about as thick as the lower. It's ridiculous how thick they are, yeah. And there it is, the PA auction. Buy a truck from there. So you get cheap cars. My dad bought a car there before. He went with some guy that knew cars, and he bought a really cheap car. Is that where they have like a lot of like state vehicles and old cop cars? And I think so. Stuff like that. Think about the pickups, dude. You just gotta know. You gotta. It's like a lot of the work pickup trucks you can get. You gotta know what you're doing though. Like you can buy a piece of crap and it doesn't matter. All those videos that I took on my phone for whenever I picked up the truck, getting the control arms on, wouldn't add into the software that I use, Sony Vegas. So it all was basically useless and a waste of time. I gave him like very expensive shirts and stuff as a nice birthday present just for the video. Damn. No. Your favorite song? No. This song is what? Game.
Straight hip hop hits, period, point blank.
Gabe likes the song. I was on a southern island. There was wild chickens and iguanas running across the road, and I have headphones in, and I had this song on repeat for like 50 times. Blue waters and white sand with this song blasting. What do you think? Yeah. It's 2 Dodges. Largest one in the US, I heard. Alright, I just hooked up a trailer. We're gonna get going here to the new lot. Dude! Yeah. Blacked out taillights, dude. Blacked out taillights. Thing is sweet. Why wouldn't they black out the front? Oh, hell yeah! Dude. This is the life, dude. We gotta make a quick pit stop and look at the view, man. Holy crap, holy. From urbanization to the middle of nothing. Look where we are, dude. This is pretty crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Cars only, no vans or trucks. Duramax, dude. That's so nice. Oh, power wagon, dude. Off-road truck.
Dude, that thing's clean as hell.
Apparently it's the best out of the Raptor and the ZR2 Chevy that they came out with.
Really?
It's the best off-road truck out of all three brands.
I think it still have a new Raptor though.
Alright, we're finally back and on our way here. Look how aggressive those tires are. Dixie Peck Extreme Country. Dude, that is so aggressive for that. Then they cheap out on the wheels though. Oh, check that out, dude. Yo. Dude, that truck is nice, man. Stack.
I still like the Dodge better though.
Squeaky.
Huh?
Squeaky.
Well, it's also
Dude, it's a gas. I would rather have the Powerstroke.
Oh no, dude, the Dodge looks like.
What if it's a V10? Could be a V10.
Doesn't sound like it. Alright, it's that creek. I'm gonna go right across the creek, and then when it splits at the shelter, we're gonna go left, and then, well, actually, what the hell is this?
Let's just take this up. All right, we're at a crossroads right now. Making some mileage, but we still have a long way to go. 75 years, dude. 1937 to 2012. Well, it's longer than that now. Check this place out, man. Holy crap. It's like a waterfall down there somewhere.
Yeah.
Nice, man. We better get a move on. So Mike just used this bathroom here. Oh, because of you, dude. We just hiked a couple miles up a mountain, but we're finally here. Damn. Wow, that is crazy, man. What are your thoughts about this view?
Pretty cool.
You think it'll echo?
Don't try it. Alright, hurry up, we gotta this. Did you just honk the horn? Will we miss it?
Yeah, man. See, this is what the real America is.
Oh my god. Jesus. You're such a faggot.
Look at that, dude. Try putting diesel for $339 in the Silverado, and then we're gonna see what happens.
Holiday season.
Those tires. Last time, one of the times I came here with Max Cork.
Of all people.
Yeah, and a Duramax did a burnout in front of us. Just made it to Cables. Wow, look at that truck. Right next to lifted Chevy. That is a loud Duramax. Have to have a straight pipe on it. Putting a lot of highway miles on this truck. Look how big that store is, man. It'd be nice to have a house this side.
Dude, you're getting lost.
2018 Ram 2500, only $59,476. MSRP is $66,235. I think they really did an upgrade on the interior of this. 2018 Cummins. This truck is nice. Then we got one for $55,000, $3,500. I've always really liked those rims. It's only $59, guys. Pretty sure those are 33-inch tires on its stock. 2018 Cummins Ram. Now let's head into Cabela's. Do you think you can get me the Phantom 4 for the channel? Since you said you'll record?
You gotta make all your own purchases.
Yeah, but you're gonna be using it, dude.
So?
4K at 60. 4.3 miles, control rings, it's awesome. $1,500. About to buy this one right here. 4,000. But it's not that expensive. Look at all the fish in there, dude. Is it a baitcaster? Nope. I don't know, dude. I still like these the best.
This one?
Yeah. I came to Cabela's and I was like, is that Archibald?
Would you say that's Gabe?
Alright, that is actually Archibald right there. Archibald from a few years ago. Archibald. Or I could just run from here. Alright, so I just got out of Cabela's and I just bought one of these mini divers. And then I'm walking back from Cabela's again. Got the Cabela's drinking water. And these are some of the coolest bottles I've ever seen in the lifted Silverado, at least a 14 body style. It's still there next to my Chevy. That's a nice truck. We got a nice Duramax right there. Yo, what up, dude?
639, I was right.
There was a big line, but I decided to wait. And then I got a register that was right in front of the waters again. Sounds so good. Just made it to inner nasal.
I was just saying the darker have like a more bitter.
This place is so cool. No longer in Cabela's. International, ladies and gentlemen. Protecting the rights of the United States of America. Valuable. There's some good deal. Important business meetings going on. Got a nice bar over there.
Dude, there's a lot of cool places that like come out in area that people are like, damn, I wish we like to do that. Like, it's the largest Cabela's. This place.
You want me to give you a pop tag?
What?
Instagram pop tag.
Alright, so, no, I'm not gonna do it. You gotta do it. Say something, you're wasting your own battery.
We just got out of his Internash and he got some milk demonetized.
I'm not gonna do it because I fucking.
And I was just drinking a lot of water. Pretty cool place to be. We also went to Cabela, saw a lot of fish, saw a lot of deer.
Oh no, dude, you bought it. Camera dies.
New lure. I also bought a pack of waters because you cannot get that specialty water in anywhere near the Harrisburg area. And here is actually some of it. It's actually pretty cool, so that's why I bought it. It's kind of better than Fiji, that's why.
It's all the same.
We had a view, went to Cabela's to see a lot of cool stuff, got some fishing supplies, and then we went to the International House of Pancakes.
Drank some
milk. Cool trip, and there's a cool Cummins over there, and Mike is going to be getting a leveling kit for his 3 trucks.
One truck? No.
You're going to have the coolest truck on the market.
Leveling kit.
33-13.5. Your dream truck.
No, classic 80s body style, classic wheels, and
35s.
Yeah, but like not deep dish.
So
1 inch.
you get black steely, yeah. And it would just be an inch out of the fender.
Yeah, nothing. Pretty much like what the classic look was.
Super Swampers?
No, just all terrains.
KO2.
Yeah, probably.
Cool adventure here. I'm really running down the Silverado tires, so let me know what I should get. Should I be getting mud grapplers? Should I get Toyo mud terrains? Should I get fierce altitude again? If it was Mike's decision,
you're fucking running out of
it
your
would
bed.
probably be pretty mediocre and say, just get some highway terrain tires. That's all what I'm about.
Potentially.
So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, take it easy.
See ya.
Now for this evening's weather report.
It's cold out.